What's up, Math 8? Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Math with Mullins. Today we're looking at 6.3 day 2. It's super important that if you haven't checked out day 1, go back and do that because that introduces the quotient of powers. Today is more of multi-step questions with quotient of powers. Let's go ahead and try some. What we learned yesterday is if we have the same base and we're dividing powers, we can just subtract the exponents. So x doesn't have any other base to go with it, but 4 does, and I'm going to be able to subtract 8 minus 5 and get me 3. So the best way to write this is the constants go in the front, so 4 to the third times x, and then 4 cubed is actually 64, so I'm going to get 64x. The next one, I can subtract the 3 and the 2 because I have the 6 in common. That'll be 6 to the first power times w, which will be 6w simplified. Up next, I've got a lot going on. I'm going to take care of everything on the top first. So I've got a to the third and b to the fourth and 5 to the fourth, but I notice I can't put any of those things together. What I do have in common are the b's and the 5. So b to the fourth over b to the second means I can simplify and subtract. So that is b to the second, and 5 to the fourth over 5 to the first will give me 5 to the third. I know 5 to the third is 125, so I'm going to get 125a cubed b squared. Next up, I notice I have some 5's in common. 5 to the 12th over 5 to the 9th, that means 5 to the third. And then c to the 10th minus c to the 9th, that's c to the first. And then d to the second is all by itself. 5 to the third is 125, c to the first is c, and d to the second is d to the second. Up next, still looking at my matching bases. So x to the 15th minus x to the 8th, that'll be x to the 7th. And y to the 9th over y to the 3rd, that'll be y to the 6th. M can be subtracting 10 and 1 to give me m to the 9th, and n can subtract 7 and 6 to give me n to the 1st. So I'm going to say m to the 9th and times n is my answer for that one. If you haven't had a chance now, let's pause the video and try some of these on your own. When you're ready to check, click play. All right, first things first, I'm going to distribute and times. This will be x to the 15th over x to the 6th. And then I'm just going to take 15 and subtract 6. That'll give me x to the 9th. Over here, I'm going to have 3 to the 5th, a to the 5th on top, and then 3 to the 3rd, a to the 2nd. Subtract 5 and 3 first to get 3 to the 2nd, and then subtract 5 and 2 to get a to the 3rd. 3 to the 2nd is 9, a to the 3rd will be my final result. That'll conclude our short video on simplifying each expression with quotient of powers. Hopefully this video helped you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great day.